Hi, my name's Rich, and have you ever had a draft come in under your door and you think, well, should I get just one of those sweeps that you go in there and start tacking on? Well, I found a little product called Maxtid, M-A-X-T-I-D, Maxtid, I guess, or Tide, Tid probably. And let's just go on over there and let me just sort of show you what we got here. It comes with some really great instructions. They have, I don't know if you can see these. I think you can. These are adhesive on both sides. And when you take them off, you just put it on that. And you try to make it as even as possible. And I didn't do it. And once you have that, they say wrap it up with this clear plastic tape. And you take this clear plastic tape and it sort of bends where it's not sticky. And you can just wrap it around that area. Now, I ordered a 32-inch styrofoam, and so we're going to have to, this is a little bit, even though I ordered 32, this is a little bit long. So even though it says it's a 32-inch door, it's not exactly, so that's why we have to measure. It's a little over 31 and a half, maybe 31 and 5/8. So we'll have to mark our styrofoam for 31 and 5/8. 31 and 5/8. About right here. According to the little manual they have, did you notice it's sort of saying cut it, and it looks like they're using scissors. I'm sort of wondering about the, okay, let's try this. Good scissors make a difference, guys. Now it says slide the foam into the cover. Well, they gave us this little cover here. So let's, on two sides, so let's see. They have a little Velcro here. And I guess you take the Velcro. You take your Velcro and you have a little area here and you just make sure it's nice and tight. And the same thing with this one. And I'm looking for my little Velcro strip. It's on the inside. And again, I'll make sure that's all tight. Now this part right here probably goes underneath the door. This seals it up on both sides. So let's go put it on the door and see how it turns out. All right, we're just going to slide this on. Like that. When you put these in, make sure you push them way back so that it won't, but not too far back, because you don't want it to be hitting the inside of the door and not being able to shut. So let's see how it shuts. You can tell just on this this rug, it's rubbing really good. So it seems like it shuts really good. Okay, it seems like the only light I have is coming behind me. But as far as sealing up the door, it works really good. Matter of fact, I have my hand down here. I have my hand down here. I feel no cold air at all. That is wonderful in itself. The Maxtid, M-A-X-T-I-D, door draft stopper was easy installation, and it seemed like it worked really, really well for me. I mean, there's no cold air coming out. We were putting some towels up there and everything, so I would recommend it. It works good. Thanks for watching.